I think that's one of the beauties of being a product manager. As someone who's like wide-eyed, aspirational, wants to do it all, product management really allows you to have this pivot point where you can build up some fundamentals and work in different industries, whether it's AI, quantum computing, fintech, because what happens at the end of the day is you have to know your pivot. And what I mean by pivot is I'll use my journey as an example. In undergraduate, I studied electrical engineering and neuroscience. That was my focus. After finishing undergrad, I'd briefly done some work at this VC firm as an associate before landing this role as a PM at IBM. And I was focused on AI, artificial intelligence. Through my academic education, I built some experience in engineering. The neuroscience helped expose me to some AI classes. And when I was at IBM, I was building up my skills as a product manager and building my skills in cloud computing. When I made the shift over to quantum, there was very little overlap with AI, but the skills in product management and the skills in cloud computing that I'd built helped me pivot over to quantum. When I was in quantum and I was like, oh, I want to go work at a startup. I've never worked at a startup. Let me try something new. It's the skills that I had built in product management that helped me make that pivot, and the engineering work or technical work that I've been doing that helped me make that. And then coming back to Amazon, I had already done some work in quantum computing, so that helped me, come to this new role. And what I'd say is it's really, no matter what company you go, it might be very different. But the thing I tell listeners or viewers is really find your pivot point when you're trying to grow your career and use that to find your next role. And the takeaways that I found from each company, IBM really taught me that I have to be passionate about the work I do. Chime really taught me the importance of work-life balance. It taught me that just because you're passionate about something doesn't mean that you have to spend days working on the same problem. It's okay to take breaks. And the thing I'm learning at Amazon, the thing that I really want to get out of Amazon is effective communication. Amazon is a company that is really driven by clear, concise communication. Doc writing is a big thing here, where if you want to push your feature or agenda, long form prose, write it down, write a one-pager, write your ideas. And so these are the elements that I've kind of been seeking to get, and the ones that I've gotten. From IBM, it was passion for your work. Chime, it was the importance of work-life balance. And Amazon, it's effective communication.